Next, we're going to complete our article of the week number 2. So this is very similar to what we did last week in class. So think of the exact same steps that we took when we worked through that article together. You're going to click on the assignment. So 1.4 article of the week number 2. For you guys, it'll say my document. That's where you get to your document, which is right here. You're going to open that up. You're also going to download the PDF for the article, which is right here. Now, what I like to do, right, you can have them next to each other. So you have your document here in this tab, and then you have your article here in this tab. Right now, I'm not going to read the article. There is a separate recording for that. So you can either elect to listen to that, or if you want to read it on your own, you can. I'm just going to go over what you do once you're actually in the document here. So just like last week, it's the exact same setup. You're going to start by filling in your name, my name. For that, here's my name. For the class name, you can just put tech, and then today's date, which will be September 21st, 2020. Same thing. So what does it mean to summarize a text, right? We talked about that today in our Nearpod. So you're going to give me a big picture overview. You can just type that here. And then you're going to give me a direct quote. You're going to put that for number 2, any quote from the article that you want to reference. We're going to do our publication information, right? We practiced that from last week. So you can navigate back to your article. You're going to give me the title, right? Remember that if we have a very long title, we can abbreviate it because we don't have to type all of that. So we can just say the history of Lift Every Voice and Sing, and then you can just put ... and that's totally fine. I know what you're talking about. Then you're going to put the author, right? So we have our author right here. We're going to put the Washington Post, and then the website. Remember, we need to find the website up top here. New Zealand, and then the date. So the date is usually found also at the top right here, which is September 16th, 2020. So 9/16/2020. Then we're going to answer our comprehension questions. So you have 4 of them this time because this article is a little bit longer, and I want to make sure you are paying attention. So when you are typing your answer, you can put it right after the question. You can change the color of your text if you want, but you are proving to me that you read the article and you understand what I'm looking for. Finally, for the push your thinking question, you are also answering this here. I am looking for 5 sentences. If you're having trouble with this, reach out to me and explain why you're having trouble, and we'll work something out. But otherwise, I am expecting 5 sentences. Finally, right, our copy and paste question, so our external research question, you're doing a Google search for the Colin Kaepernick icon jersey. So if you're having trouble spelling this because his last name does have a lot of letters in it, I know I need to copy and paste, so I get it. If you need to, you can just hit highlight and then go to edit and then copy, and then you can go to Google and you can paste that right here. And then this will bring you to the articles in reference to this jersey. And then I am asking you to copy and paste an article that you found here into the box. So if you need a refresher on how to do that, you can go here, right? I'm going to pick this article. I think this is actually from Nike. Yes, it is. It's from the Nike store. And then I'm just going to highlight the link, and then I can click and drag it into the box like so. If you're having trouble with this, again, reach out, but you're just going to show you one more time, right? Highlight the link, click and drag into the box like so. Once you're done, I do have a bonus question here for you. So this is either worth bonus points or to make up points if you end up losing them. But I'm asking you, how much did the Kaepernick icon jersey sell for, and how long did it take to sell out? I'm not going to tell you what that answer is, but if you find it, bonus point for you. Once you are done with your article, you would go back to Schoology and you would hit submit, and then you can move on to your exit ticket.